What we go for a little fight already, you understand?
I love you, love you, love you, baby. I do, oh yeah. Really doesn't matter. Rosemary's baby.
I don't know what about this sound there, will you be ecstasy, right? Yo, yo. Yeah. What, Jenna Wagon? What, look up early crew straight away. Yeah. I tell you. Now I'm gonna cut like black here, it train good. Cut like this one. Wow. Cut like pot, pick up a son saying. Wow. Like good about saying something from early, but all I so last year I do. What, give me a early move, see? Wow. This. Now pick up the chef, pick up the yourself, saying number one cook. Where? Right about now, guess what? Some is an ecstasy back on our feet. So that's what God knows. Summertime rise, summertime fall. Play that song there again. Request to our progressive people right now. You understand? Come now.
Gonna break these chains around me. I'm gonna learn to fly again. Maybe hard, but I'm doing.
What I'm gonna put somebody female straight away looking sexy from early.
On my feet again.
I tell you.
Soon these tears all be drying. Soon these eyes will see the sun. Might take time, but I see it.
Well, I'm back on my one eye.
When I'm back on my feet again.
You want the turbo warm it up.
Out the street again.
Have mercy.
And the Lord look at me again. And they'll see that I'm strong. Boy. And I'm not gonna crawl again. I'll learn to stand tall.
What I'm gonna put up on the other skirts here, we here. Don't know what's right here, so I do it right. That's right, don't tell her. Yeah, some people are not clean and pure. The bad mind, tell them. Wow.
I'm far away. I'll write you a letter every day.
Request to all man who shows if a girl in your life, you understand? Yeah, that's something they do. Take time out the bar straight, man. Gotta take a shot out. Yeah. What I'm gonna put a reason cross here, where? Ah, man. Central is rough lights, big up. Earlier, I'm gonna ask you a girl that eyed. I want to tell her right now, baby, you see you.
Come out of the dark and come into the light. Don't be illiterate, be polite. Come out of the dark and come into the light. I never see you one day, I only get.
That's what we're on, Shibet.
Don't you feel ashamed for us to play the game? You looking qualified for me to make.
Chuck and Rock on, come in, shake a couple of favorite spots, right?
As long as you said yes, I will put you to the test. And if you can pass, then you will be the student of my class.
So me tell her.
Come out of the dark and come into the light. Don't be illiterate, be polite. Come out of the dark and come into the light. I never see you one day, I only give.
Big up all was spent some early money at the bar in the kitchen, you understand?
Birds without pride, me no keep.
Yeah.
If them do chat, me no chat to them. If them do watch, me no keep them friend. Come out of the dark and come into the light. Don't be illiterate.
Right now, I said early. You said them early, girl, let me can't tell them something like this.
Tell your body good, yes, your body good, oh. Tell your body good, your body good, oh. Tell your body good.
Request have a good ass girl right now.
Tell your body good, your body good.
Ready?
When you a walk, your complexion pretty. Me wonder if another know they use her humby. Look on your teeth, or them shine and pretty. Me looking at your eye, hold them just a dazzle me. Tell your body good, yes, your body good, oh. Tell your body good, your body good, oh. Tell your body good, yes, your body good, oh.
Later I know some woman dark up around here, right?
When you a walk, your body so sick.
Wow.
When the sun shine, don't on your body, girl, you must be mirror. Reflection would have kill me. How will you drink, honey? Your body ready, girl, your body good.
Girl, your body good, oh.
Girl, your body good. Your body good, oh. Girl, your body good. Yes, your body good.
Let me check them on the start of the party from early, you understand?
Hold up your hand.
No, so we don't keep boring party, you know. So here's come a chingle, ready?
Now that you are here with me,
Well read.
let's not waste no time.
That Mr. Frankie Dancehall Paul.
Let me hold you closer, friend. I will
Request to all of them on the show, if a girl in your life right now, you're not live boring. Tell her.
all night long.
So that's the God, now one play a song one more time, come and like it. So right now it's gonna be chingle.
Hey, hey, yeah.
Request to every girl in some boy right now. So be a bit.
Now that you are here with me,
Come.
let's not waste no time. Let me hold you closer, friend. I wanna be with you, my girl.
Set it, you wanna.
Rock with you, lady,
Oh.
all night long. Come let me hold you, lady, 'cause the feeling is strong. I wanna rock with you, lady, all night long. Rockin', rollin', rock. Give me sweet loving, don't you ever stop, love me. No, no, baby.
Hear me a say though.
No, no, baby. No, 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 baby. No, hey. Now that the time is right, go now. Don't look back. We've drawn the line.
Once again, Mr. Frankie Paul. Yeah.
Move on.
Good morning.
It's so good to go back in.
Watch out, big sound, joke about it. Easy. No rush, no fuss.
I would never find a girl like you. Or I'll be anything take.
Request to all who believe in love and God, you understand?
And eyes.
I want my girl name.
Sarah.
Oh.
Storms operating.
East. Play the song again for the DJ with all eyes once again. What, Mr. Frankie Paul? But I could have been saying so, it's the last thing I do. And some more.
Go now. Don't look back. We've drawn the line. Move on. It's so good to go back in time.
So I will
Never find a girl like you.
rock on, come in, Wednesday, we come on the favorite spots.
Everything
Yeah.
with fire and ice.
Good morning.
Ooh, yeah.
So Mr. Larson.
Sarah, stars operating your eyes. Sarah, now I can realize. Sarah, you're like a beauty queen. Sarah, danger.
This is the next song we are going to play. The artists are dead and gone.
Ooh, yeah.
But him still but in a dance hall. What, Mr. Greg Writer?
You can have the bits, you can have the pieces, yeah.
Oh, God.
My broken heart.
Roll out.
There's one thing I know, it just cannot be mended like it was from start.
Hand to the cool roller.
All the wrong that you've been doing to me, yeah. My God,
Have mercy.
in the way that you've been acting, we have no sympathy. Surely, baby,
No, for I'm going to the eyes, Baba.
you ain't hurting nobody.
Yeah.
Nobody but yourself.
Now hear this.
And sooner or later, you'll be like a stalk upon a shelf. Why are you going away? Heart that you've been breaking.
I feel like sing for your girl tonight. You see that girl there?
I knew our love was meant to be,
Oh!
but now you wanna turn your back on me.
What, Mr. Leroy Gibbons, sing on.
Seems to me your love is fading away. From me you're running farther and farther.
One question me gonna ask.
Why are you going away?
What did your thief for what they do?
Something I did or something I said.
Well, alright.
I knew our love was meant to be,
Big sound on the sound tonight, man.
but now you wanna turn your back on me.
Good morning.
Seems to me your love is fading away.
When them say ecstasy,
From father every day.
What me gonna ask her?
Now, why are you going away?
No, me got Bergie there.
Take my heart.
My general.
Why are you going away? Why you wanna break my heart? We made the vow on our wedding day. From the tip of your tongue I heard you say, now and forever we always stay. But now from me you're going away. I wanna know,
Why won't you go in the way?
why you wanna break my heart? Why are you going away? Why you wanna break my heart? Why? Oh why?
Right now, me go and play some little nice music around here, look at early.
Why, baby? Why? What happened? Tell me.
So it's right about now, guess what, going again?
Family, what make you a galang so?
Early warm.
Mix up, family. That I want make you a galang so. Mix up, family. That I want make you a so. You mix up over here and over there, all over the atmosphere.
So me go shut in.
Over here and over there, all over the atmosphere. You carry in news and everyone. How long will you go on? You wake up early and your face don't wash. Bed not spread, your dishes don't wash, your teeth don't brush, but you are cause. The whole family are uno adjust. And it's a mix up, family. That I want make you a galang so. And it's a mix up, family. Want make you a so. You must mind what you say or do. Eyes up above that is watching you. And you must mind how you are run up your mouth. You own a mouth, it a go get.
You understand?
You must mind, you must mind. And you must mind how you walk and talk. You see a
Charles.
Champion bubble, yeah. Bubble with me tonight.
Take someone go and play some little nice song.
Way on your squeeze me.
Don't know the party early at the sun.
Dance me.
Yeah.
I love the way on you on me. Baby, me I beg don't really.
What make up our early spread that straight away?
Bubble, yeah. Bubble with the pictures, alright.
I'm a champion,
Bubble,
bubble.
I want you dead. Bubble, bubble, baby say. Bubble, I want you dead. Bubble, bubble.
So we go so then.
All night long we keep dancing. I didn't know the time it was passing. And as I look out the window, yesterday turned into tomorrow. Champion bubble, yeah.
Watch your better go easy tonight. The party name No Rush.
Something love black traffic. Ooh, love black traffic, y'all.
Version tonight. Talk to the people right now, so yeah, you me.
Black traffic, black traffic. Some girl love black traffic, black traffic, black traffic. Some girl love black traffic.
That's a little John.
They were black traffic. Sipping with Abari, they were black traffic.
So mister.
Sipping with Rosary, were black traffic. But hey, yo, girl, I want you listen to this. Remember, little Jalad, him don't run risk. Remember, little Jalad, him don't run risk. Black traffic, black traffic. Some girl are black traffic, black traffic, black traffic. Some girl are black traffic. Oh, well. Them love the black traffic. Ooh, they love the black traffic.
Well, I know.
Love the black traffic. Well.
Right now, we're gonna Clarendon right now. Coco. So me say. Take several of the parties who come full of my ass right there. Big up all who find it already, you understand? I tell you.
So when my friends become my foe all over the world.
Now we got running so there.
So you be cockatoo come again.
Bang 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 then chop.
So you be you bang be Hey you be you bang bang. Hey you be you bang be.
Take up cockatoo in the party yo. Now hear this.
Because I tell them once, I tell them twice.
Bishop be tell them
Christ, Lord Jesus Christ. I tell them 4, I tell them 5. Cockatoo come for keep this a dance on, yes alive. Boy, so you be.
You think we can run and juggle and play one cockatoo? So yes right now. Well read. So me go so.
Yes, I lost my soldier and she's gone away.
What's the last year?
Yes, I lost my soldier and she's gone away.
What's the bird juggling here, you know?
I left her at my home to come back and find her, but when I returned, she was gone out to with another man. So I say, you know, I left her at my home to come back and find her, but when I returned, she was gone out to with another man.
Well read.
So,
Right now tonight them juggle easy. We are one select on a rush party, you understand? Hey Frankie Paul, walk one bedroom.
War is in the dance, war is tonight. Me say war is in the dance, war is tonight. Section at the corner.
Where?
Just a dance with me dada. Some dada just a rope here fight. Some dada just a.
Well, Titi, I say.
War is in the dance, war is tonight. War is in the dance, war is. Me say war is in the dance, war is there.
What you know?
In the dance, war is.
Come now.
Smoking sensei. I'm feeling airy. I grab a data and swing around at the corner. He said, war is in the dance, war is tonight, war is in the dance.
Well, I'm the man.
He said, war is in the dance, war is there. War is in the dance.
We're going to play two body artists right now.
Bingo, bell, but bingo.
You think of that yet?
Now 1981, me prophesy of diseases. After that came polio, my like it. In a yard, in a diverse places.
Hands up and check Morgan and Smiley.
And the herb.
Yeah.
Making it hard for doctors and nurses.
What?
Prostitute conducting them business. Some man start to put condom on them business. Woman, lock up and secure them entry.
Some of us are then.
Jolly with diseases.
Have some serious diseases.
The most dangerous diseases.
Well read.
The most dangerous diseases. Have you heard about the one hepatitis? Laryngitis.
Down in Ecstasy Town. Well on the man.
Rob me and beat
Every man you wake up and watch the news. What am I saying?
demolition.
Whoa!
We have to get flat.
East. Play that song there again, DJ.
Demolition. Lord of mercy.
Request to us, Spangler, to the bad people, you understand? Come now!
Down in my own town, bad boys them took me down.
Right now, to the party early.
Back.
Go and take to my place, so much long, yeah? Don't know!
Demolition. We have to get flat.
Oh, God!
Demolition. We have to get flat. Why, yoy? Tell the police them no response with that. Them say me a idiot. I got to put a stoppage to that. Cause I'm no aristocrat. Demolition. Me have to get flat.
Well read!
Demolition. Demolition. Lord of mercy.
You can't even in black you keep him party.
Mine.
Me want for the day dance and I get boy one hold on panty. You mad?
To me.
Oh, if you do not stop the market, tell him!
Man, we went to a dance at Clarendon. Me and a big fat big
Boy!
Got to reach at the dance gate. The gate man a hold up on me home.
So what me do?
One box me give me 9 blasted face.
Yeah.
Money scatter out all over the place. Babylon book me with a big.
What am I see again? Tell them!
Lego me hand gate man let me come in. Lego me hand gate man.
Hat to Mr. Josie Whale!
And me seller when me live on popping. And anything me eat.
Check out the Colonel!
Me beetroot, me hockey man, me cabbage and me beans land. Lego me hand gate, man let me come in. Lego me hand gate, man let me come in. You love brag and you love show off now. You mug long like a shovel mouth sharp. Me neck on a black.
You think of that yet? Tell him, tell him, tell him!
Cause every day the girls dress up in a trousers. I say what happened to your skirts and blouse?
Where?
Why can't I man see you in your dresses? Call these things and to judge and not please.
Ready again!
Every day them a worship vanities. And your greatest lust is jewelries. Mind you lick you with diseases. Hey,
Have some dangerous diseases.
yeah, the most dangerous diseases. I said the most dangerous diseases. I'm talking like the elephantitis. The other one is the polymyelitis.
Well, on!
Arthritis and the one diabetes. You see, cause every day that I turn the Bible pages, from Proverbs forward to Genesis, and Revelation to Ecclesiastes. But let me tell you, say me will come in
Tell him!
and the loss of the world.
No, serious. You know, whenever you want to talk me secret, though.
Closest.
I feel like tell the reason people me secret tonight. You see, son, the man, we can't tell no what go on.
I'm getting married in the morning.
Oh!
Ding dong, you hear the church bell ring.
Ready again!
She have me yellow baby, and I'm gonna mind it.
So me, I go.
Take me to the church on time.
You are gonna go on now.
Say if you think I'm sexy,
So me say.
girl reach out and touch me. If you really need me, so little girl reach out and tell me. Boy, she rule me like what? I'm getting divorced in the evening.
Lad.
Oh, Bob Susan get a lot of beating.
That's somebody.
Me give her plenty money.
Look up for me.
Hello, baby.
So me, I go.
Take me to the family court and time.
Remember.
Me dress up in a jacket, me dress up in a tie. As me reach the court, the girl a tell lie. The judge say, I know you never loved that guy. They tell me you're Anna, why she married.
So me, go, so then.
Put her in the kitchen to fry some chicken. Put her in the kitchen to boil.
Me, I go play some song one year in a party, long time now.
She put the
Remember that one here? Remember?
rice, me set it.
Remember?
Zungo
You must have a header.
And if you have a start, you must have a end.
Ease out.